Welcome to What's New in Avon. I'm Linda Wright, your Avon representative, and I'm here to share what's new in Campaign 9 with you in a virtual way. Campaign 9 features Avon hair care and repair, daily essentials for your health, jewelry, and tinted moisturizers. Let's get started. Do it like a pro with Avon hair care and repair products. From adding luster to turning up volume, Avon has pro solutions for everyone. Shampoo and conditioner collections include Avon Chi Essentials, Elastine Propylethera, Elastine Botanicals, and Hemp Pharmex, and Avon Advanced Techniques. Products for treatment and styling include Avon Chi Essentials, styling tools and products, Elastine Propylethera, and Restore and Detox Dry Shampoo, Dr. Groot, Advanced Techniques, and the Face Shop Root Touch-Up. Get Elastine Propylethera shampoo and conditioner try-it sizes for free with a $25 purchase from pages 5 through 14. Believe the Woods Eau de Parfum, a fresh, sweet fragrance with notes of bamboo, pear blossom, water lily, amber, musk, and a burst of lemon zest. $45. The Retune Daily Essentials line has 3 new products for your health. Daily Essentials Vitamin C provides antioxidants that protect your body from free radical damage and support the immune system. You get 100 500 milligram tablets for $20. The Daily Essentials Digestive Health includes 2 probiotic strains to nurture and support healthy intestinal flora for good digestion. You receive 100 capsules for $23. Daily Essentials Bone Health includes vitamin D to help your body absorb calcium for healthier teeth and bones. 60 tablets for $20. Introducing the newest members of the Magix product line, FMG Magix Tint Oil-Free Tinted Moisturizer and FMG Magix Tint Natural Tinted Moisturizer. Now you can choose which of these lightweight tinted moisturizers is best for your skin. The Brightening Tinted Moisturizer, which is already part of this product line, has a buildable sheer formula that boosts radiance and gives skin a natural glow. The new oil-free formula helps control oil and shine, giving skin a demi-matte finish. The new natural formula hydrates skin with a demi-matte finish. $10.99 a tube. Here's some tips. First, apply the Magic Prime Face Perfector, a primer with an SPF of 20 that is suitable for all skin types. Then apply the Magix Tint Moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type. I prefer the Brightening Moisturizer to boost radiance. Tammy, one of my customers, prefers the oil-free moisturizer since she has oily skin. FMG Magix Corrector Brightening Perfector is a concealer that can be worn under or over foundation or by itself. It camouflages the appearance of dark circles, blemishes, and imperfections. The Corrector Perfector comes in 3 flexible shades and doesn't settle into fine lines or pores. To apply, blend in with your fingertips, a brush, or a sponge. $9.99 each. Here's a tip. After you have applied the Magix Tint Moisturizer of your choice and the Magix Corrector Brightening Perfector, finish your look with a makeup setting spray like the Glow Moist Fix and Mist Spray to keep your makeup in place. FYI, these products work well while wearing a mask, especially when you apply primer and setting spray to keep everything in place. Birthstone Necklace, Earrings, and Bracelet Collection. Colored glass stones set in silver tone. One size fits most. Necklace and earring sets are $12.99 each. Bracelets are $12.99 each. The Howlite Accented Jewelry Collection, made from genuine howlite beads in silver tone setting. Howlite is also known as white turquoise. The layered stretch necklace is $24.99. The 2¼ inch diameter hoop earrings are $12.99, and the stretch bracelet is $12.99. Here's what it looks like. And these are the howlite beads here. Look at the striated lines in the beads. They make each bracelet unique. The Valemont Hemp Seed Oil Lip Balm is hemp-infused lip balm with jojoba and coconut oils for deeply hydrated and conditioned lips. It comes in clear or red for $1.69 a tube. You can shop the traditional brochure, which you receive from us, or the virtual catalog on our e-store at www.youravon.com. Bill Wright. Happy shopping!